Hello everyone! How are you all? I hope you did not miss me. Welcome back to Cutsnloops. New day, new rug, new design. This is a very common mistake, so you need not be scared. You don't have to redo everything again. It can be very easily fixed. So just stay tuned and watch what I do next. Do you see any changes here? Yes, we fixed the mistake. We added a small patch to the cut we made to our cloth and I redid the name Stitch. It's in a different color so you can easily recognize while you will be tufting, and it will just make your life more easier. This is how we fix our mistakes. All very easy. Nothing is impossible when you're tufting a rug. Colors make everything so beautiful. Just look at this. I think we messed up with our rug. What do you think? It is so blue, and my favorite color is also blue. This already has 3 different shades of blue. This is looking so amazing, really beautiful. I'm in love with this rug. Stitch is my favorite. What did really happen to this rug? So what I did, I tufted a same size of patch here. Like I just cut off the piece from here, tuck it, added it properly so that it looks neat. Voila, Gucci. Mwah, what a masterpiece. I don't think we ever made any mistake with this rug. It's pure magic. The day to trim, trim, trim.